talk about domestic updates on part of the Congress that has been holding a protest in Karnataka. The pictures that are now coming in as Chief Minister Siddaramaiah and Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar were expected to hold and to lead these protests, because now what is being said that the Congress party has been taking up this issue vehemently, as far as have been claiming vindication in the case as well, with the slight relief that came in for the Gandhis. However, the BJP is of the opinion that they have still not been acquitted in the case, but pictures of protests that are now coming across, and it seems that the entire issue has now been heavily politicized with regards to the case of National Herald. But the Chief Minister Siddaramaiah is of the opinion that the court ruling is a big setback for the BJP, as far as the Chief Minister has made it clear that the Congress will fight the oppression of the opposition BJP both inside and outside the house. We have Neha connected with us right now. Neha, how is the Karnataka Congress especially taking up the issue of a National Herald case? And they have been claiming vindication. However, it is far from the legal fight that the party still continues to fight, especially when it comes to its top leaders who are under scanner.
Well, evidently we've seen protests breaking out by the Congress party across the entire country, and today it happens to be in Karnataka here, where you have the Congress leaders, in fact, of course, who are staged here, who are in fact sitting on stage here, beg your pardon, going on to, of course, protest against the Enforcement Directorate. They're protesting against the BJP as well, saying that this is nothing but political vendetta. Well, on the dais here, of course, our senior Congress leaders, like the Deputy Chief Minister of Karnataka, Mr. D.K. Shivkumar. You have, of course, leaders like Mr. B.K. Hariprasad, Soumya Reddy. You also, of course, have the host of Congress workers also who've now gathered here for the protest. In conversation with us earlier, many Congress leaders, of course, went on to echo the fact that this protest is not just against the vendetta politics that's being played by the BJP, but the fact that the Enforcement Directorate, of course, now is trying to defame many leaders of the party, is what they've claimed. While we've seen protests breaking out across the country over the National Herald case, the grounds that the Congress party has raised here is that it's their money, it's being used for their publication, that there shouldn't be any sort of probe into this. Well, remember, even, of course, as the ED right now...
So slogans can be heard being raised against the BJP, as the Congress leaders have been alleging that the party was indulging when it comes to Congress party in its witch hunt, and Chief Minister Siddaramaiah has been saying that the BJP has filed a completely false and the fabricated case against the members of the Gandhi family. We'll come back to you. The protest pictures coming in from Karnataka, there against the Enforcement Directorate and the case that it has been followed up